Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Okay. What is the specialty of today? Do you know, children? Today, Mathematics Day. First of all, I wish you all Happy National Mathematics Day. Okay. I will say some information about him. Okay. I will write on the board. Write down, children, about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan birth anniversary. We are celebrated Mathematics Day. Okay. They only have Stevens. Hello, it's మొత్తం మన్నే కాదు. How they complete the different working testing. What was it? One has to understand. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu. Erode, Tamil Nadu. Once. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu. Srinivasa Ramanujan birthday was made an annual National Mathematics Day by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Okay, next afterwards I will continue the class. Okay, children. In last class we discussed about fractions addition. Okay, how to do fraction addition, like fractions additions. Okay, in today's class I am going to explain fractions subtraction. Take out the textbook. All of you take out the textbook. Page number 74, exercise 7.7. Which one? Exercise 7.7. First, subtract the following fractions making use of the number line. First, how to show fractions subtraction on number line. Okay. Now, first I will explain fraction subtraction how to show on number line. First, number line on number line. Making use of the number line. First one, 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5. First, to draw the number line. Use scale, children. Take your scale and pencil and eraser sharpener and draw the line with scale. Draw the number line. Zero by 5. Next 1 by 5. Next 2 by 5. Next 3 by 5. 4 by 5. Next one 5 by 5. This is the number line. Okay. On number line 0 by 5 means 0 only. Nothing but 0 only. Next 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. First 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5. 2 by 5 subtract from 4 by 5. So first of all we have to take 4 by 5. First 4 by 5. Yes, write in CW only. Take out the running notes. And write in your textbook also. In textbook also you have place, children. Sufficient place is there in your textbook. You can write in textbook also. In your textbook page number 74. You don't have textbook, you can write in notebook. Okay? First up to 4 by 5. First 4 by 5. First take 4 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 5. Next subtract 2 by 5. Yes, 2 by 5 subtract from 4 by 5. That's right. 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, what is the answer? 2 by 5. What is the answer? 2 by 5. Okay, children. First, make a number line. First of all, we have to draw the number line. On number line, you write first fractional numbers. Fractional numbers here given 4 by 5. From 4 by 5, we subtract 2 by 5. That's why first 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. Up to 5 by 5, we have to write the fractional numbers on number line. Mote Ramyasri. Look at the board. Next, subtract 2 by 5. Subtract 2 by 5 means 1 by 5 subtract and next 2 by 5. 2 times subtract. 2 times means this one. This one time is 2 times. 2 times subtract. Then we get answer 2 by 5. Answer is 2 by 5. 4 minus 2 also we get 2 only. Here denominators are same numbers are there. So here don't change the denominator. In answer you don't take after subtraction you don't change the denominator. In addition, how can we write same as it is? We have to do same. Textbook also draw teacher. Already is there, Amma. Number line is there in your textbook. See once in your textbook already number line have. See once. In this number line, on this number line, just you have to draw the same. This one. Draw this one. Okay? Did you understand girl? Just in your textbook, you draw like this. Okay, very good. Next, second one. What is second one? 5 by 7 minus 3 by 7. 5 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Subtract 3 by 7. Subtract from 3 by 7. Subtract from 5 by 7. So first we have to draw the number line. First draw the number line. Next 0 by 7, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, next 3 by 7, it's 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, next 7 by 7. Okay. Now next, first we have to take up to 5 by 7. 5 by 7. From 5 by 7 we subtract 3 by 7. That's why first 5 by 7. 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7. First we take 5 by 7. Next we subtract 3 by 7. Subtract 3 by 7. 3 times subtract. 3 times. Means, yes, 2 by 7. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So answer is 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Subtraction on number line. If you have any doubt, raise your hand. Raise your hand. If you have any doubt, raise your hand, children. Third class children. Anybody? Subtraction on number line. Fractional numbers. Fractional number line. Okay, no doubt. Next, anybody? Ishwar, no doubt. Next. Okay, remaining third one and fourth one you complete, children. Third one and fourth one in your textbook complete. And send me pics. Okay? Okay, next. Second bit. What is second bit? Subtract the following fractional numbers. Subtract the following fractional numbers. Subtract the following fractional numbers. Next, what is first one? 8 by 10 minus 5 by 10. 8 by 10 minus 5 by 10. Here, denominator, no change. Don't change the denominator. Okay? Just you subtract numerators. Only subtract numerators. Same here on subtraction number line also. Here subtracted numerators are not. Once you observe children. 4 minus 2, you get answer 2. So here, no need to change denominator. Denominator as this number write down. 5 is there. In two fractions, 5 is there. So in the answer also, you have to write 5 only. Next subtraction also see once. Same 5 minus 3, 2. Only here subtracted only numerators only. Next 3 minus. Next 3 by 10. Yes, 3 by 10. Okay. Next is 7 as it is number. We have to write as it is number denominator. Okay. Don't change the denominator. Just in question denominator what is there, in answer also we write denominator that number only. Next only you subtract numerators. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 by 7. Next 4 minus 2, 2. 2 by 5. Okay. Did you understand, ma'am? Next here also fractions subtraction. Just subtract the numerators. Okay. They only have place. Right, children? In your textbook only write. They only have. In your textbook place is there. Just you can write there only. 8 minus 5. 8 minus by 10. 8 minus 5? Yes, very good. 3 by 10. You write 3 by 10. You can directly write. Okay? You write directly. Answer 3 by 10. In your textbook, first one answer. After equal to, they given equal to also. Okay? After you equal, you write 3 by 10. Okay? Next, second one. 6 by 7 minus 2 by 7. What is the answer? Yes, 4 by 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. So, 4 by 7. Subtract numerators. 6 minus 2 by 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 by 7. Right, this one. Okay, next third one. 8 by 11 minus 1 by 11. 7 by 11. Very good. 1 by 11. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is not add. Don't add, boy. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 by 11. Okay. Next remaining you complete, children. Exercise 7.1, first bit, third one and fourth one, subtraction number line. Next second bit, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. Okay. If you have any doubt, raise your hand. Subtraction number line and how to do subtraction in those topics. No doubt. Okay. In your textbook complete time, you send me pics. What is homework? Just what I am saying, listen to me. Listen, Amma. Exercise 7.7, first bit, third one and fourth one. Next, second bit, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. Write your own. That is only homework for you. You complete and send me pics. Okay? Did you understand, Chintakuntla Harshita? Harshita. Okay, no done. Okay, understand. Very good. P. Harshit. P. Harshit. Pranit, I think. Okay. What is your doubt, boy? In your mobile, keep it unmute and say. Parne Pranit.
Unmute teacher.
Okay. Say.
4 by how like coming teacher?
What?
0 by 5 to 4 by 5.
You take on number line. Just we are taking general numbers. We are taking 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We only taking these numbers. On number line, we are taking numbers, boy. Numbers. Here, this is number line, so we are taking numbers. But this is fractional number line. That's why we are taking fractional numbers. Fractional numbers means by numerator and denominator. But here given question 4 by 5 is there. So we have to take 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. Like that we have to take fractional numbers on number line. We only taking this numbers.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. 0 by 5 is nothing but 0 only. Here also 0 by 7 is nothing but 0 only. Okay. You can write here 0 also. Okay, next. Anybody? Okay. I hope you understand fractions, subtractions on number line 9. How to do subtractions also. In tomorrow class, I will explain Indian money. Okay. About money. In tomorrow class, I will explain. Thank you, children. Once again, happy National Mathematics Day to all. Okay, children.